Hey everybody, I just want to do a little video about this book and one of my mistakes I make a lot. You know, like, yeah, I'm going to turn this around. You can look at this. Yes, it has that. I'm not so worried. You know, I could either have picked that. Oh, no, it's under. I would have just left it. You know, I could have picked this stuff off. You know, back's good. You look at the bottom. We're good until you get up here. I don't know how I missed this. And you could tell right away in the front. You know, I looked in here, totally fine. I don't get how I missed that top piece. So my advice to you guys is to take time to actually look at your books when you're scanning them. I'll use my scanner and then I will jump to my Amazon Seller Central app and I'll go through and I will make sure all my books are still profitable, because sometimes it'll cha-ching on my scanner or using my scanner, and I'll put it, you know, aside, and then I'll get it, and then like the price, due to the price being like say $2 or $3, it won't be a good enough, you know, profit. So I won't do that. So my suggestion is when you're doing that, you'll scan that, you'll go into your Amazon Sellers app, and you will check your book. Make sure that there's, you know, no highlight. Like sometimes I won't even check highlighting. Like I know that's horrible because I've found a few that the pages might be ripped or something, which I need to get better at doing, but I always feel like I'm in a hurry trying to find more and more books, which yes, if you do have that time or just don't mind spending a few bucks, but I guess for something like this was $2. That's fine. I'll make that money back in that day, but still at $2 could go towards something that I might make $10 on or more. So check your books, make sure that what you're buying is what you're thinking. So everybody have a great day. Go out and scan some books. Comment below on what you found for the day, or any more questions, let me know below. Please be nice. Not everybody has to agree with what you say, but you can say it in a nice way. Thank you. Have a great day.